I'm Mariana, the Customer Success Director at Wazoku. Through the Wazoku Academy, we provide a variety of courses on innovation approaches, frameworks, and methodologies to empower individuals, just like you, to elevate their innovation skills. Our academy offers a comprehensive mix of self-service online courses, tailored training delivered by our experienced innovation consultants, and bespoke solutions, all designed to keep you with the tools and mindset needed for creative problem solving and continuous improvement. Our online courses are organized into learning plans that guide you based on your innovation goals. Whether you want to become an everyday innovator, master challenge driven innovation, learn about our total innovation approach, or become a Wazoku platform expert, we got you covered. We offer tailored training and coaching, customized to address your specific industry challenges and strategic objectives. Plus, we offer Wazoku Academy live sessions at our events, featuring keynote speakers who are experts in applied innovation and thought leadership. Ready to start your innovation journey? Click the link below to book a call with our team. We look forward to partnering with you.